Q8060-1. When conducting a tap test on a composite panel, which of the following sounds would indicate delamination? A. Sharp ringing. B. Dull thud. C. Sharp thud. The correct answer is A. Tap testing is a widely employed method for identifying delamination or disbond in structures. This technique involves tapping the inspection area using a solid round disc or a lightweight hammer-like device and assessing the resulting sound. A clear and sharp ringing sound indicates a well-bonded and solid structure, whereas a dull or thud-like sound suggests a potentially flawed or discrepant area. By analyzing the sound response, technicians can detect areas of concern and further investigate for any necessary repairs or maintenance to ensure the structural integrity of the material. Q8061. What precaution, if any, should be taken to prevent corrosion inside a repaired metal honeycomb structure? A. Prime the repair with a corrosion inhibitor and seal it from the atmosphere. B. Paint the outside area with several coats of exterior paint. C. None. Honeycomb is usually made from a man-made or fibrous material, which is not susceptible to corrosion. The correct answer is A. To prevent corrosion inside a repaired metal honeycomb structure, it is important to prime the repair with a corrosion inhibitor and seal it from the atmosphere. Metal honeycomb structures are susceptible to corrosion, especially in the presence of moisture or corrosive environments. Applying a corrosion inhibitor and sealing the repaired area helps protect the metal from further corrosion damage. Q8062. One method of inspecting a laminated fiberglass structure that has been subjected to damage is to A. Strip the damaged area of all paint and shine a strong light through the structure. B. Use dye-penetrant inspection procedures, exposing the entire damaged area to the penetrant solution. C. Use an eddy current probe on both sides of the damaged area. The correct answer is A. One method of inspecting a laminated fiberglass structure that has been subjected to damage is to strip the damaged area of all paint and shine a strong light through the structure. This technique helps to reveal any underlying damage, such as cracks, delamination, or other defects, by making them visible when the light passes through the structure. Q8063. When inspecting a composite panel using the ring test/tapping method, a dull thud may indicate A. Less than full-strength curing of the matrix. B. Separation of the laminates. C. An area of too much matrix between fiber layers. The correct answer is B. When inspecting a composite panel using the ring test/tapping method, a dull thud sound may indicate the separation of the laminates. A dull thud suggests that there is insufficient bonding or adhesion between the layers of the composite panel, resulting in separation and reduced structural integrity. Q8064. Which of the following are benefits of using microballoons when making repairs to laminated honeycomb panels? A. Improved strength-to-weight ratio, less density, and lower stress concentrations. B. Greater concentrations of resin in edges and corners. C. Less density and improved strength-to-weight ratio. The correct answer is A. The benefits of using microballoons when making repairs to laminated honeycomb panels include improved strength-to-weight ratio. Microballoons are very light, so they can add strength without adding much weight. Less density. Microballoons are also very low in density, so they can help to reduce the overall weight of the panel. Lower stress concentrations. Microballoons can help to distribute stress more evenly throughout the panel, which can help to prevent cracks and other damage.